In this video, we're going to look at creating gradebook items and categories in a D2L learning environment. In this case, we are using Pilot. I'm on the home page of my test course here. And the first thing I'm going to do is come up and click on Grades. I already have some project categories and items set up for project 1. We can see here, we're going to set up the project category and some items for project 2. Notice my browser defaulted to manage grades. This is something you can change in settings, or if you defaulted to enter grades, just click on manage grades now and you should see a view that looks like this. So the first thing we're going to do is add the category. So we'll click on new and come down to category. Here we can enter category name. I'm just going to use this as a folder, so I'm going to leave most of these options unchecked, and I'm going to come down and click Save and Close. Now I can see I've added a category here. So now we're going to add an item to that category. I'm going to come back up to New. And this time we're going to click on Item. You can choose the grading type. I'm going to use numeric here. And I'm going to add my first item name. Here's where we add this item to the category that we just created. So we already had project 1, we just created project 2. I want to add this item to project 2. I'm going to make this assignment worth 20 points. And again, I'm going to leave many of these options unchecked. I can choose the grading scheme. I'm going to leave it on percentage, which is the default, so I don't need to change this. Can also add a rubric here. And I'm going to come down and click Save and Close. Repeat the steps we just covered to create all of the gradebook items needed for your project. I've added the other items that I need for project 2 and their points. Now we can go over and take a look at enter grades to see what it looks like to grade the assignments. As I scroll across here, you can see that I've already graded project 1 and I get a subtotal for project 1, and we can see the project 2 ungraded and the subtotal for project 2 and the final calculated grade.